Hello everyone, and welcome to our first video in a series of fun STEAM videos that we are doing here at the Haverford Library. I'm Miss Emily, and did you know that Monday, November 8th, 2021 was National STEAM Day? That's sort of what inspired us to do these videos, even though this first video is getting posted on Tuesday, November 9th. The other thing that inspired me to do these videos is over Halloween, the month of October, I was doing a whole bunch of fun Halloween STEM videos with some kits that you could take home to do the experiments at home yourself. And you guys seem to like that so much that I've decided to keep doing it for a little bit. So this is this week's kit. Our next kit will be out in 2 weeks, but this week's kit is called Build an Apple Tree. And first I'm going to read you this week's book, and then we're going to show you what's in the kit, and we're going to get started with our experiment. So since we're talking about apples, because it's fall, the book I decided to read today is called 10 Apples Up on Top by Dr. Seuss. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look you, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 3, 3, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7. Fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now, see here, 8 on top. 8 apples up, not one will drop. 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We are all very good, I think. With 9, we can all hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out, I see a mop. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you, one and all. Come on, come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them get them. This book is a bit of a tongue twister. Look out, the mop. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come on, come one, come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop. Stop! Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Whoa! Look! 10 apples on us all. What fun! We will not let them fall. The end. Oh my goodness, do you guys think that you could balance 10 apples on your head and do all of the crazy things that these guys did? I know I couldn't. I probably would let one apple fall down because I'm not very good at balancing on my head. So our friends in the book were balancing apples, and that's what we're going to do this week for our STEAM experiment. So as a reminder, you can come by the library and you can come pick up your very own STEAM kit while supplies last up in the children's room, and this has almost everything you need to do your experiment. So I'm going to show you what comes in your kit. If you guys have had one of my kits before, then this will look familiar. I did a prediction sheet so you can guess how many things you're going to be able to balance, and then you can test it and see if you were right. And then of course on the back here is the directions for the entire experiment. Also in the bag, you're going to find some craft sticks. You should find about 10. Now my sticks are all kinds of pretty colors. Yours will be plain. I thought since it's fall and all of the trees outside are turning all kinds of pretty fall colors, it would be really neat for me to do my experiment with some fall colors. So if you would like, feel free to go ahead and color your sticks. You can make them green or brown because these sticks are going to represent branches and leaves of a tree. So you do not have to do this to do the experiment. I just thought it would be really fun. I just used some regular markers and quick colored in my sticks to make them fun. You do not have to do that. That is totally up to you. The other thing that you will find in your bag is a couple of different size pom-poms. And these pom-poms are going to represent the apples. So we're going to pretend that all these different sizes and shapes of pom-poms are different sizes and shaped apples, and we're going to see what we can balance. So the only thing you need to provide from your house is a paper tube. This one's just like a toilet paper one. If you want to get really tricky, you can use a paper towel. I'm just going to use a toilet paper one for my video today. It's going to be a little bit easier for you guys to see it. I'm just going to move my camera a smidge. So this is the trunk of my tree. If you guys really are creative and crafty and you want to draw stuff on the tube to make it look like a tree, that would be fantastic. You do not have to do that though. So the first step is to balance as many sticks as you can on top of your tree trunk. So if you want to, ahead of time, you can make a guess. If you have 10 sticks, I'm going to guess that I can maybe balance 8 sticks on top of my tube. I don't know if I'm going to be able to balance all 10. You guys can make a guess if you want, and then you can practice or try to balance your sticks. And you could do them all kinds of different ways. You don't need to put them in a pile, because the next thing we're going to be doing is balancing the apples on our tree. So we want to make as much room on our tree to balance apples. Whoa, look at that. This is my last stick. I got all 10 sticks on my tree. Wow, I did not expect that. So if you guys happen to have some craft sticks at home, or you want to go out in the yard and get a whole bunch of sticks and see if you can do more than 10, that would be fantastic. But now that I have my tree, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I happen to have 14 different pom-poms in my bag. You guys may not have 14. Everybody just got a handful, so your pom-pom amounts will differ, but you should all get some different sizes. So now I'm going to see how many of these pom-poms or apples I can balance on top of my tree. I don't know. I did really well, so maybe I can get all 14 pom-poms on my tree. Let's find out. Uh-oh. I didn't even get one. All right, so we're going to try that again. There's one. Whoa. This is very tricky. I did not expect it to be this tricky. All right, so I'm going to rebuild my tree. Here's all 10 sticks. Now I'm going to try it again. So 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, oh no, 7, Let's see if I can get him back on. If I can't get him back on to stay. Oh, there he goes. He stays. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to get dangerous now. I'm going to put these guys way out on the edges. 13. Uh-oh. Let's try it again. 13. There he goes. 13. And can I get him to balance there? 14. I got all 14 of my apples to balance on my tree. So I don't know if that really counts. A lot of them fell off and I put them back on. So I don't know. You guys have to decide some of those rules for yourself. But if you also have some other fun little things around your house that you want to try and balance on your tree instead of pom-poms, go right ahead. So I hope you guys all have fun seeing how many branches and leaves and apples you can balance on your trees. Don't forget, you can come and pick up your kits in the library while supplies last. They're up in the children's room. And I will see you guys in 2 weeks with our next video. Enjoy. Bye-bye.